The meeting had in attendance Chief Imams of Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin Osun communities, where issues that would bring about lasting peace to the three major towns were discussed. Speaking, the governor of the state, Senator Ademola Adeleke, who was represented by Special Advisor on Political Matter, Alhaji Miniru Raji, highlighted the importance of fostering unity and embracing mutual relationship in settling any form of crisis. He said his administration will not tarry in ensuring that the lives and property of the people of Osun State are protected, thereby calling on the participating chief imams to use their platform to propagate peace, oneness, and discourage communal violence. While speaking, the Deputy Majority Leader of the House, Honorable Adekunle Oladimeji, who doubles as the Chairman House Committee on Media and Public Affairs, lauded the participating chief imams from Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin Osun communities. He advocated for peaceful coexistence among one another, noting that the fear of God in any form of engagement matters, while attributing the recent communal classes in Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin Osun communities to a lack of fear of God.
Peace, reconciliation, and mediation as regards the issue of Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin. Yeah, we are here to discuss about the way forward in resolving the crisis, the incessant communal crisis between the three communities. And to the glory of God, we were able to resolve into some, let me say, some conclusions and then some resolutions, which we are now, it will enhance us to foster peace and unity within the three communities.
In his message, the convener of the stakeholder meeting, Alhaji Abdullah Akanni said the motive behind the meeting was to engage the clerics and the League of Imams in Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin Osun community. He said the initiative is to secure the people of the three communities and bring about total restoration of peace.
We organized this meeting, just a minor meeting, among the imams from Ilobu, Ifon, and Erin Osun, where there is a communal conflict, in order to see the way how we can do it so that the state will be at rest.
The chief imams of Ifon, Ilobu, and Erin Osun, while speaking, assured the government of Osun State of their readiness to use their platforms to close gaps and bring about lasting peace and harmony in the warring communities. Oluwatosin Oladokun, OSBC News.